Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share with you an interesting place where I really enjoy going to hang out with my really relative and my close friends in my spare time, which is located Sujanagor. Actually, nature is a gift of Allah to all living being on the earth. There is no one who is not daily helped by the goods of nature. This is this he is Shahin Bhai. He is my cousin. Nature is a significant to the development of life. As human being, we really realize how important a single plants uh, in our in for our survival. The beauty of nature includes plants, animals,
This is kitchen room.
insects, and other
This is
escapes
fire.
like the mountains, hills, plants, grass, the sky, which are all compounds of this beautiful nature. Nature is like as well made garden with lots.
Connection.
This is actually earth made is handmade plate, spoon, and jog. Okay, nature is a as well made garden with lots of flower and fruits, trees. It is our protective shade from all natural climates. It gives us the support to survive, healthful, healthy, and the cut. Nature is the source of our person beauty and strong as well.
বানাইবা তো
Uh, this is place.